Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Shano with a song named 7 Jackets. 7 Jacket, Shano. We're gonna jump in and see what the G has said. We're not waste some more time. Let's go. Big up Shano. No Shano a bad artist long time, so big up Shano to Bamekla. Let's go.
New Empire. Jesus Christ.
New Empire, big up.
Yeah. Bun tell me bun up, yeah. Bun tell me bun up, yeah.
Yo, let's stop it there. You see female of them different. You see metaphors and similes them different. She not in our class by himself. The man say, yo, him get bun till him bun up. Bun till him bun up. So 7 Jacket. For those who don't know what jacket is outside of Jamaica, jacket is when a girl give you a child which is not yours. Biologically is not your child. You understand? So we call it jacket. The girl give a bun, you get jacket. So let's go.
Yeah.
Bun till me bun up. Yeah. Ready?
She give me 7 jacket. Every 2 pants, match it, yo, the girl a wicked. Man wicked to but watch it, oh, the head is so big. Feel me still there in a socket, wish.
Oh, the eye that's so big. Feel me still in a socket. Man say, yo, my eye not so big. I lie and tell, that is not my youth. Yo, you're too wicked.
She give me 7 jacket. Every 2 pants, match it, yo, the girl a wicked. Man wicked to but watch it, oh, the head is so big.
Man say, girl wicked. The man say, man wicked, but girl wicked too, so watch it. Other yeah, that's a big.
Me still there in a socket. Wish God could have take back the girl that crutches. You're the picnic to unruly. Happy papi.
Papi. The picnic to unruly. Happy papi. Yo, the concept of this song and it just start brother sick. Let me hear. Sorry for pausing it so much. I'm sorry, but I go pause it a lot because I go last in a week. Not a second. Me know.
In a socket. Wish God could have take back the girl that crutches. You're the picnic to unruly. Happy papi. That one that's a black and must DDI daddy.
That one that's the black and was DDI daddy. What if black that don't ya?
You're the picnic to unruly. Happy papi. That one that's a black and must DDI daddy. Principle that should have print on your baggy, but the fuck me as you see me print all over your body.
Principle that should have print on your body, what the fuck me as you see me print all over your body. Jesus Christ, girl, you wicked, eh?
Principle that should have print on your baggy, but the fuck me as you see me print all over your body. Them say Zina fi Patrick at the topic. Them say Kevin a fi the Dan with the matic, him me clap it. Jim a fi the super always a stop the traffic. Antonia fi the man we serve the flitters with the coffee. Oh God, yeah. Man a man favor, yeah.
Yo, she ain't nobody, yo, fuck. Listen who the pit name for that.
Jim a fi the super always a stop the traffic. So? Antonia fi the man we serve the flitters with the coffee.
Yeah.
Oh God, yeah. Man a man favor, yeah.
True.
Man a man favor.
Man a man favor for true.
Man a man favor. You might think of your pitney boy here. Yeah. Next man a knock it now the era. Yeah. When she hungry she get shearer. Jacket there too big it need to see the tailor. Yeah.
A jacket there too big it need to see the tailor. Yo, I'm gonna tell you this, bruh. Shana is not an average artist, brother. Like, this is a bun song, but this is a bun song with a twist, dog. Like 7 Jacket, Shana. I see you saying gonna take 7 Jacket, brother. You cool? Eh? A winter? Eh? Bumbleclad!
When she hungry she get shearer. Jacket there too big it need to see the tailor. Yeah. Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor. Might think of your pitney boy yeah. The last one, let's stamp me think of mine. But me never know she did the fuck a nigga you will look alike. Remember the one that me tell her did favor did it. Me never know she did the shade the one the with foot eye.
Hold on. Remember the one that me tell her say look like Diddy. That's a few seconds ago I tell you say one look like Diddy. Yeah? And I never know say yo she was sharing that with Footer. Yo, Footer, your name got caught up in this like that.
The last one, let's stamp me think of mine. But me never know she did the fuck a nigga you will look alike. Remember the one that me tell her did favor did it. Me never know she did the shade the one the with foot eye. She not the dance, she not the soup, so she a look a stripe. Locally, when she ready, she go book a flight. Your pride and your dignity that you should put aside. Come out of my blood clot to us and go look at them say Zina. Fi Patrick at the topic, them say Kevin a fi the Dan with the matic, him me clap it. Jim a fi the super always a stop the traffic. Antonia fi the man we serve the flitters with the coffee. Oh God, yeah. Man a man favor, yeah. Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor. You might think of your pitney boy here. Yeah. Next man a knock it now the era. Yeah. When she hungry she get shearer. Jockey there too big it need to see the tailor. Yeah.
This body
Man a
fuck.
man favor. Yeah.
Man a man favor. Yeah.
Man a man favor. Might think of your pitney boy here. Yeah. She give me savage jacket. There for 2 pants, say match it out. The girl a wicked. Man wicked to but watch it out. The eye so big. Feel me still there in a socket. Wish God coulda take back the girl a crutches. You're the pitney to unruly. Halfy pappy. That one that's a black a must diddy eye daddy. Principle that shoulda print on your baggy. But the fuck me as I see me print all over your body. Them say Zina fi Patrick at the topic. Them say Kevin a fi the Dan with the matic. Him me clap it. Jim a fi the super always a stop the traffic. Antonia fi the man we serve the flitters with the coffee. Oh God. Yeah. Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor. You might think of your pitney boy here. Yeah. Next man a knock it now the era. Yeah. When she hungry she get shearer. Jockey there too big it need to see the tailor. Yeah.
Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor. Yeah. Man a man favor.
Might think of your pitney boy here. Yeah.
Bumbo clad Shayna with a twist on it, brother. This sick your fuck, brother. Shayna think outside the box all the time, dog. Him song concept them are so advanced, bro. Like Shayna, you're bad, you know, dog. Me know people tell you this every day, brother. But forward, brother, you're different, you know, dog. I hear them brain having a bro. Yo, this body fuck. We love that song, dog. Yo, big up Shayna, dog. This time I'm gonna leave the one and still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more from a G, remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Leave a like on the video if you like the content, and I'll see you guys in the next one for sure. Boom, man.